Hey Swag fam. Yeah, yesterday's vlog didn't really end off. First of all, hi. Hello. New vlog, new day. First of all, the vlogs are not gonna end off the normal coming at night end the vlog. It will just be random vlog endings. I'm sorry already. I'm gonna apologize now because I am too tired at the end of the day to literally come back and like close the vlog off properly. But this is literally what is going to be for the next few days. It'll just be, I'll vlog as much as I can, and then we'll just give you content so that it keeps. Oh, I really like the light here. Yeah, so that's basically what that is going to be. But I hope you're doing well, and yeah, it's the start of a new day. I'm going to go shower quickly and then get the day started. We've been up for about, we as in my family, we've been up about 2 or 3 hours at this point in time. Yeah, just catching up, having coffee, all of that stuff. So I'm going to go in a shower. We're running a few errands today as well. We're baking, so I'm bringing you with for those errands, and then for the ingredients that we need for the baking. Bought most of them yesterday in the shop, but we need to add a few more because we'll bake again tomorrow. But that's basically what today is. So we're going to do a few runs. I'm bringing you with, and yeah, we'll take the day as it comes. Very interesting few days ahead, and I'll bring you for the fun of it, for all of that. That's basically that. Number one, my youngest brother is getting married, and so we're going through a whole like traditional thing about, you know, the asking and all of that. And yeah, I'm taking you with because we're going to be part of that whole asking of the situation. And yeah, I think it's going to be interesting for all of us, and so I'll bring you snippets of that. And I think in the previous post, vlog of mine, you've already seen like how it's already like started. We started with the thinking of the flag. I don't know what you call it, the putting up of the flag from our side. We did that on the female side already yesterday, like but that part it's not going to be included in this vlog because I wasn't there. But I'll show you from our side how the lady's family comes. My new sister is gonna come, and not her coming, but her family comes and puts up the flag at our house as a mark that this wedding is happening. But we have to follow through with the traditional stuff of the asking. So we're doing that, and we'll be part of that. It's going to be like a good two days. No, it started already, but we're continuing, and so this will be the final 2 days before the traditional way of engagement, and then the official wedding. So it's gonna be a fun few days of vlogging, so I'm really happy about this. And it just means content on content on content. So even if my 12 day to Christmas vlog is like literally will be finished, I'll keep posting, because I think there's going to be a lot of like days that I am recording. So it's going to be, because I think I will like, yeah, it's going to be a few days of recording anyway. So I'm gonna bring you along to all of those days. So yeah, this is basically the day. Let me go get showered. I already had my coffee and warm water, and yeah, we didn't work out today because we were too tired from yesterday's activities. And yeah, we arrived as in my sister and I, we arrived and we just got straight to work. So now quickly go to shower, and then again get the day started. So I'll catch up with you guys as soon as I'm done with my shower and see how we take the day. What is the difference? Just take both. Huh? Take both.
Take both?
Yeah.
Okay.
One of each.
Okay.
Because I don't know what the the difference is? But look, that is the same thing, right? Just take both of them, wow.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we'll figure it out.
Okay.
Just throw mine. You're not supposed to eat that dough.
Okay.
Bye. Hey guys, it is literally sometime to 10. It was a very weird day today because I didn't get to go out and do anything like shopping wise, so I didn't take you with. I think the last of I've left you is me showing you glimpses of me baking. So I'm gonna probably insert it over my talking to tell you guys, okay, so basically this is what I've been up to throughout the whole day was me baking. I baked about six bun cakes. We call them bun cakes, almost like in the bread shaped type cakes. That's what I did. And then I ended up cooking dinner because I needed to cook, multitasking basically. It was a very late start. We should have started baking like very early in the morning, but no, we didn't do that. Things happened. Now we're coming from the negotiation situation. Yeah, I didn't actually. Yeah, why didn't I take out the camera? Okay? Because I didn't know what was gonna happen. So yeah. Anyway, now we're driving home. Why did I remove my seatbelt? Oh, it's so dark.